past is your playground. Abstergo.
Hello human bodies. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background on Windows. Here in this taskbar you can see there are lots of Google Chrome browser processes are running. So let's fix it. Step 1. Open the Chrome menu. Step 2. Select Settings. Step 3. In the sidebar of the Settings page, click the Advanced heading. Step 4. Click the section named System. Step 5. Slide the Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed toggle to off. And that's it. Chrome will instantly take heed of your settings, and will no longer run in the background. You can re-enable the feature, that is, make Chrome run in the background all the time, again just as easily. Just follow the steps above, but flick the final toggle from off to on. That's all for today's video. This is Debbie Diva, signing out.